SentinelOne is a cloud-based smart monitoring system for site managers and administrators managing clusters of machines. It provides them with a consolidated view of machine utilization and performance data, which helps them monitor machines, improve productivity, and manage risks. With advanced analytics and powerful visualizations built in, SentinelOne provides bird's-eye view into performance data and can be used to optimize operations across domestic, commercial, and industrial implementations. On the floor, our edge devices capture machine data and relay it to our cloud-based platform. SentinelOne on the cloud transforms this into meaningful insights that can be accessed on mobile and desktop devices, enabling managers to monitor critical performance variables in near real-time and on the go. With our advanced authentication system, site owners can decide how much data should be shared with whom. For instance, equipment manufacturers and suppliers can be given limited access to data to help them perform predictive maintenance. With optimized asset utilization, enhanced operational efficiency, reduced operational costs, improved KPIs, and predictive maintenance, SentinelOne brings the new industrial revolution closer to you.